Hi Dress Your Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Tyler Galpin from Wednesday. So let's get started. To draw cute Tyler, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So not too big compared to the girls that I usually draw. And to make the boys' eyes a little bit smaller. There. So now my two circles in. Let's come back in here and we're going to put in two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so now my eye's in, I'm going to come above each eye and I'm going to anchor it with a curve right on top. So I'm just going to come right here, right at the top, and just bring down a curve right over it. And same thing over here. There. So now I have that. I'm going to come to the bottom as well, much lighter, right at the bottom to anchor it again. A little bit different with the boy's eyes. There. Okay, so then now I have that. Let's come back up, say about right here, and I'm going to draw some brows. So just a soft curve right over the eyes, and I'll just thicken it up a little bit and connect. So same thing here. I forgot if Tyler's eyebrows are brown or black, so I'm just going to leave it empty for now. If I color it in there, so thicker eyebrows, and then let's give him a smile, right? So about right here, I'm just gonna come by here and just give him a sweet smile, so slightly upwards and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and frame his face. So I'm gonna come back to where his eyes are. So the top of his eye, come out right here, really close, and same thing over here, about here. And using those 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and start to draw the bottom of a U. And I'm going to come right here around his eye. I'm going to try down. And I'm trying to angle it a little bit more. So let's come to the center. So I'm just kind of imagining, I'll just say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to give it a little bit more angle and bring it down. And about right here, I'll flatten it out more for a chin. So right here, I'll angle it. Make a stronger jawline. Flatten it and connect. There, so hopefully you can see the difference. Make it a little bit stronger for the boys. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go back and we're going to bring this curve up a little bit more where the brows are. And then let's come back to kind of where the eyes are, and we're going to draw some ears. So say about right here, just pop out a curve for ear, come in here with some high details, and same thing here. Where the eyes are, curve, and two curves inside for some detail. And then now we need to draw his curly hair. So, and he has bangs. So I'm just going to, let's see here, let's just say about right here. I'm just going to start and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a bunch of strands going different ways. So maybe like this one, like a little wave, come up and go the other way, really close to his brow and go up. So it's just my goal is to draw a bunch of strands over his eyes. So now you're here, you go up again, come down. And let's just finish it off. Just simplify it, go up and connect whatever space you have left. So on this side, let's go ahead and just curve the other way, get close to his brow, some areas, and then just finish it off. There. Then we're going to come back to where his ears are, and we're going to go up right here and up right here. So now we know we want to give him full head of hair. So let's just say I'll say about right here, right in the center. I'll give myself a point, and from here I'll go up a little bit, and then we're basically aiming to come down with this curve, but I'm going to add some strands here and there, maybe like a curve here, another strand, just to mix it up, and same thing here. So just slightly, and go up with a strand, come down, and once again we're just going to finish it off. There. So hopefully I've captured his hairstyle, and then you can come in here and just lightly draw in some curves for some texture. Or you can do this when you're coloring, of course. So if I want to show you, you can come in here. There. Okay, so hopefully this is starting to look like Tyler, and then from there let's draw his outfit so that we know for sure it's Tyler, right? So let's come back to here, and we're going to give him a neck, and here right in the center, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a soft V, and we're going to draw his collar for his barista outfit that you cuties helped me vote for. So come out with 2 angles, and I come right back here and draw the collar, come down and connect. So thank you, cuties, for always helping me on my community page to vote, because sometimes I just have no idea what outfit to put them in, right? Okay, so then from there let's come back to here, and we're going to draw a shoulder, and it's going to be nice and wide. Make Tyler here nice and strong, so both sides. Then I'm going to kind of imagine like where his armpit area would be, so I'll just say about right here and here. I'll just give myself 2 points for now, and I'm going to come in slightly. There. So I just kind of know what I'm working with right here, and we need to draw his apron. So I'm going to come right underneath his collar. So, well, actually, you know what? I think this would be a little bit easier. Let's come here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down. Same thing on the other side. Curve that comes down right there for his apron. And then let's come back to about right here. We're going to go across with a straight line. And then about right here, I'll go up. And then on this side, go same thing. So this side is not connected, but is connected, and this side isn't. So then in this area is where he loops. So we're going to draw a curve right here, almost like a circle. Come back in here with another curve, and then we're just going to draw the tail of our apron. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. And come down. A little bit more. And about right there, I'll stop. And this is where we're going to tie off his the waist area. So about right here, I'm going to, let's come back here with a little curve. Imagine coming over, but I'll stop right here because I'm using a Sharpie, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw 2 of these ovals, and then 1 that comes down there, and then connect it. So if you're at home using a pencil, just go ahead and draw this curve all the way across first. There. So then let's come back down, and then now we can go ahead and bring it out a little bit for his hip area. and bring this down. So I'll come back to here and just say about this long and just cut it off. And then the other part right here. Something like that. I'm not really too sure in the details, but hopefully that looks right. And then let's come back here. And we'll bring down the apron to say about right here, and I'll stop and connect with a soft curve. There. Okay, now to draw his legs. So I'm going to have them just kind of standing apart. So I'll say about right here, and his hips is about here. So let's work on this leg first. I'm going to come down. Baggy pants, so about right here, we're just going to wobble a little bit for the end of his pants, and then just go ahead and connect. And then let's pop in a shoe. So a little bit straight line, a little curve, and then bring it out. Curve and connect. So same thing here. Down, and then about right here, just start to wobble, and same thing here, and wobble, connect, and once again a little bit straighter here, curve, pop it out, and connect. Nice simple pair of shoes. And then we can come back in here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve, and then whatever you see. We're not going to see much of it, so just leave it like that. And a curve. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back and we're going to draw his sleeves. So I'm going to bring this down. And so say about right here. Go ahead and bring it in. Let's bring this up a tiny bit more and then add a little crease right here. So same thing here, add a little crease. Bring his sleeves in, so same spot. Curve it in, and then his arms. We're just going to have him hang out to the sides, and I want his hands to end about right here. So let's bring this down and bend it a little bit to about right here, and we'll draw his thumb and his fingers. So loop it around, fingers, give it a little angle, and then we're going to thicken everything up. Elbow, and then just connect. There. So same thing over here. So we want to bend about the same area. And bring it down. Same area for his thumb. And round it off for his fingers. Come back and thicken everything up. For his elbow, come in. And right about here, angle it and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come in here and draw some details. Almost forgot. So we're going to come right here in the center and draw 2 straight lines down for his shirt, and then a button right here. And we can add some creases right here for his apron. And maybe, I think he might have, not really sure, like I said. It's so hard to find like the perfect picture, but I'm going to put in some pockets right here on his apron. And let's see, his pants. And then finally, last but not least, he has this logo right here, but I'm going to change it up. So right in this area, I'm just going to draw a circle. And then put in a heart, of course, right? To make him my Draw So Cute Tyler Galpin from Netflix Wednesday. Thank you once again, cuties, for helping me vote that you wanted me to draw him in his barista outfit. And I really hope I helped you draw Tyler here fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.